system.
Are you kidding me?
This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
What? 103.7? Yeah.
Texas Emergency Alert System. This system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Now hold up. Hold up. Wait for it. 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 Wait for it.
This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
I wonder if KTRK just designed to keep you informed in national, state, or local emergencies. Come on, start it, dude. Hey, let's see how. I just wanted 1 minute. About 30 seconds.
In a primary next year, he is currently in his late 70s. What would be the effect on this district of yet a further delay?
Wait for it.
Out of all respect to Congressman Al Green, I think what we will see is two models, if you will. One is an institutional model that would be explained in terms of Al Green if he wants to stay in Congress.
Wait for this. Now we'll vote for the ultimate.
There's another model which I would label as the renewal model. Look at the candidates we have, according to one of the recent polls, our county attorney. He's in his
Go 1070. Go 1070. Go 1390. Go to 1390.
Central Market, offering appetizers, party platters, baked brie, and more for holiday entertaining. Chef-prepared items are ready to serve or heat and eat. More at centralmarket.com.
Well, I got a monthly test for now. There we go. Go for that.
To provide confidential support at no cost to you. With my needing,
Looks like a faithful parent reading bedtime stories. A teacher who prays for her students by name. A nurse who stays late with her
Rolled. Come on. Utility back.
This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
guaranteed fresh produce and never compromising their budget.
Wait for it.
Every aisle on flavors from your
Oh,
Texas
got
neighbors.
it. Alright, here we go. More with a few seconds. Almost a couple seconds. Wait for this one. Shoot, I'm going to walking test for DJ for this. We'll be late for this.
Vicks Vapor Stick. Soothing comfort for the whole family. And try Vicks Vapor Shower Masks for smooth Vicks Vapors when you need more comfort for yourself. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Again. Wait, full. You Tennessee bitch! Stop!
And ZipRecruiter. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded. The Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Let me see. Nope. What is it? Let me see. There we go.
This is the test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded. This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Now what the frickin' is...
Q.
That's not it. Let's look at this one. This is really online. What the freaking another mail? Now what should I do?
This has been an EAS test.
Texas Emergency Alert System.
This has been a test of the Houston, Texas emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
This has been an EAS test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test.
This has been a test of the
What the
Houston,
fuck?
Texas
Hit
emergency
Scotty.
alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
She has called that the oil Z from one county? What the fuck is this? Yesterday I called it, yesterday I called it to say a warning, so watch warnings. What the frick is, what the hell is this?
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on Station Quote 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: in Southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk and Westchester; in Northern and Central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union and Warren; and in Southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the
Dumbass! Not your fault. That's all means.
This broadcast is set at greater distances from the transmitter can occur.
Warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Virginia, Chambers, Fort Wayne, Galveston, Harris, Liverpool, Montgomery, Wander. The no weather radio warning device.
How to do this? I don't know if you fucking this. What the hell? Moving it.